Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites: a supported Excel version, secure storage, and data privacy rules. Next, create a new workbook and name the sheet Master Patients. Establish column headers exactly: patient ID, name, DOB, contact, visit date, diagnosis, notes. Now set data types: format DOB and visit date as date, patient ID as text to preserve leading zeros. Create initial drop-down lists for diagnosis to enforce consistency. Once done, save a backup copy to an encrypted folder before adding real data. Convert your header row and entries into an Excel table so ranges expand automatically and formulas remain readable. Then implement data validation. Restrict DOB and visit date to valid date ranges, and link diagnosis to your hidden lookup sheet for consistent entries. Add conditional formatting to flag duplicates in patient ID and highlight visit date older than 1 year with a red fill. Create a helper column for follow-up status and use countifs to surface patients needing outreach. Make sure to lock the structure and protect the sheet. Finalize by enforcing security. Set a strong workbook password, protect specific ranges, and use file info to remove personal metadata. Build pivot tables and slicers for visit counts, diagnoses, and recent activity. Export anonymized CSVs for sharing. Document maintenance steps in a hidden instructions sheet. If something goes wrong, check for broken formulas first, then confirm cell protection or validation rules aren't preventing edits. If duplicates appear, run the duplicate patient ID filter and merge records carefully, preserving timestamps and audit notes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.